So you may or may not have heard of some recent immigration executive orders that President Obama has announced over the last couple of years. And I want to discuss those today, and I was going to have a short video series discussing those executive orders, what's currently going on in the legal landscape, and whatnot. So to start off, you may or may not have heard of a program called DAPA. That's DAPA, stands for Deferred Action for Parents of Americans and Legal or Lawful Permanent Residents. That was just one of the executive orders, but it's the one that's gotten the most media attention. But there were several executive orders, and we'll talk about that today. But here's what happened. At the end of 2014 in November, President Obama announced these executive orders. And they were programs that were set to help millions and millions of people that are here in the United States who are not documented. So it was set to be a great thing for these people. Now what happened was politics got involved, and these programs were supposed to start in February of 2015. However, in late 2014, Texas and several other states, 26 states in fact, filed a lawsuit in federal district court in Texas. And the Texas judge in that case actually issued an injunction against these executive orders. In other words, blocked the orders from taking effect. Well, the U.S. government appealed in 2015 to the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, and the Fifth Circuit, towards the end of 2015, upheld the lower court's decision blocking these executive actions, including DAPA and expanded DACA. Again, you may have heard of these programs. We'll discuss more about these in the videos to come. So what happened was the U.S. government in late 2015 appealed to the U.S. Supreme Court, and recently the U.S. Supreme Court decided to take that appeal and hopefully make a decision this summer, 2015. So a decision is expected probably June of 2016, with oral arguments happening in April of 2016. Now this video is made in March of 2016, so we're getting close there. The main thing to understand in all this is it's my opinion and several legal scholars' opinions that these executive orders issued by the Obama administration are in fact legal and should be upheld and should move forward. And I am very hopeful, and in fact I expect that these programs, including DAPA and expanded DACA, will be upheld and move forward later this year. However, only time will tell, and so you're encouraged to watch the news. If you think you or a loved one may qualify for one of these programs, you're also welcome to call our office. We'd be happy to discuss with you these programs and the implications they may have on your family or your own personal life. So watch the news. These are big things, and we will discuss these in more detail in a few other videos in this web series.